I'm rich, right? But I don't know why I'm living in Winona.
What's happening?
But anyway, one time, my family, my rich family, we went into this tomb, and then we found this ancient tomb in the tomb. It's like a baby and a woman, kind of like that.
I told it yesterday.
And we found all these drawings, and
He's not telling it like he's telling it.
Yeah, you're not doing a good job.
Okay.
Stop acting like there's a camera here.
okay. And anyway,
Just pretend like you're talking to Evan.
talk to me, okay, Evan. And then when the desecrated bodies, they would rape them first, and then they would put crap in their mouth. And then,
Why would they crap in there?
yes, and then they would
He
go
didn't
in
even
their,
answer your question.
they would go in their coochie, and then they would pull out the brain with a long stick.
Did it reach the head?
No, Evan, they only pulled the brain out. And anyway, then they would get a pregnant woman, and then they would let her have the baby and the other woman, and then they would birth the Antichrist. They would birth the Antichrist. And so and the Antichrist would come out in this burst of coochie juice and
Oh, God.
blood. And then it would feed on earwax in the heads of the innocent children.
Get closer to Evan. No, I mean scoot closer to him. Okay, now resume.
And so anyway, we were like, oh my god, and it goes on. They would get their intestines out, and they would feed it to the little innocent children before they ate it. And he would get his long, devilish-like tail and get their eyes out and suck the eye juice. And there'd be a mess of all blood and guts and just... It was hell.
Zach, I think you should do your dance.
I already did my dance.
Do it again. Yeah.
What's happening?
How much minutes do we have left?
A lot.
7.
Oh, 7. Yeah, 7.
Really?
No, you can
Sweet.
Haley,
Freckle soda.
Haley, you can record that more than 7 minutes. It'll go all day. It's just saying that.
It'll go all day. It's just saying that.
It'll go all day.
No, I mean do that dance you were doing yesterday. Like first you're bouncing around, then you did the steps.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
Oh.
Get in trouble. We're not even supposed to be having this camera.
Take one for the team, Zach.
Fuck no, I already took one for the damn team. Shit. Give me the damn camera. You have pissed me off.